Hello guys, it's Tiny Tanks here, and today we will be doing the last 5 questions of the 2017 Maths UK Intermediate, 2016 UK Intermediate Maths Challenge. And I hope you've heard about my website already. And yes, let's get started. So, for question 21, it shows a regular octagon what ratio of the area. So, out of this, you can already know that it's definitely not going to be that. So, that's... Wait, why did I circle it? So, that's not it. And that's not going to be true. And if you look at the others, they're actually not true too. So the answer to question 21 is A. For question 22, it says in a particular group of people, some always tell the truth, the rest always lie, blah 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 blah. 216 in the group, and one day the group is... So how you would be able to do this is by... Wait. There's a way that the largest amount of people who could be telling the truth is... So there's one way where it's like one telling the truth, one telling the bad stuff, one telling the truth, one telling the lies. So that's basically just 2016 divided by 2. So that's quite boring, but another way is actually So if you think about it, if this is like someone telling a lie, he says both the person on my left and on my right are liars. So what could happen is actually that there's this another liar over here, and there's a person speaking truth over here. So, and that says both the people, so that kind of repeats itself. So the difference is 72 between these two options. As for the first one, you have it's hard to explain. So 2016 divided by 3 equals to 6, 2172. Well, that's divided by 2 is so 7. So that's 1008, and so there's 1008, and that's 672. And well, what? Oh yes, so the answer to question 22 is actually E. Sorry. For question 23, it says the Saxon silver penny reign of Elsa E from the region of E the Second in the 8th century was sold in 2014 for 78,000. A design on the coin depicts this circle arc of the small circle in centimeters. So what's the most important is actually that this line is actually a quarter of the circle. So in fact it's going to be 4 of that is going to be the whole. So it asks for the radius of the small circle. So, gosh. Wait. Yes, that's what it asks for. And so the radius of the small circle is b. 2 minus, what's it called? Yeah, the square root of 2. For question 24, every day she goes. One day, so it took her 90 seconds. It takes her 60 seconds, 90 seconds. Walked up at the same time. So for these questions, you don't know how long it is, so you always, because never mind. So you always set the road lengths to 1. So 1/60 was her original speed, the e speed, the escalator, and 1/90 is her walking speed. So we want those two added together if she walked up at the same time. So if you add those two together, well, let's say 180, 3/180 plus 2/180 equals over 5. 1 divided by 5. So wait, what? That's 36. So yeah, the answer is C. That's quite simple. For our last question, it's this tiling. So what the fraction of the floor that is shaded black. So you can view it as one huge this thing plus 2. So there's 12 plus 2. No, sorry. 11 plus 2, so 13. So that's D, which is our answer to question 25. And that's it. Thank you for listening.